Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking at me for the first time, I'm Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post videos on hairstyling and makeup. Today I'm going to be sharing this beautiful blue glitter smoky eye look which you can recreate easily. Some time back I had shared a classic black smoky eye look as well as a soft brown smoky eye look. If you missed those videos, I will be sharing them in the description box below so that you can go and have a look. Some of you loved those videos and requested me to create a colored smoky eye look which will help you stand out in a sea of classic black smoky eye looks. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this blue smoky eye look which you can wear with a sari or even a dress. So let's not waste any further time and get started with it. Before I begin, I have already put on my contact lenses from Fresh Look in the shade green. Moisturizing my face using the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Next, I am using the Jeju Orchid Eye Cream from Innisfree to hydrate my under eyes. For my lips, I am going to be using a lip balm from Bobbi Brown. Leave the prep onto your skin for a good 10 minutes for the skin to absorb all the moisturizers before you start your makeup. Now to prepare my face for makeup application, I am going to apply a primer and I am using my usual Benefit Porefessional Primer. To add a little sheen to the face, I am going to be using the NARS Radiance Primer. Since I do not have very dark acne spots, I am going to be skipping the color correction and I am going to be applying the foundation. Then I will be checking my skin if it needs any further concealing and then going in with my concealer. So for my foundation, I am going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC42. Don't forget to apply your foundation on your neck, especially if you are wearing a deep neck blouse. Now blend the foundation using a damp beauty blender. This foundation is a medium coverage foundation and hence it has already given me a certain amount of coverage on my spots. However, to conceal my under eyes as well as some of the other dark spots, I am going to be using a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I am applying the concealer on my under eyes, sides of my nose and mouth and my spots. Also using a little bit of the concealer on my forehead as well as the bridge of my nose. After waiting for a few seconds for the concealer to dry, I am using the beauty blender to blend the concealer well. Now I am going to be contouring my face using the Viseart Conceal and Correct palette. Applying the light brown shade on the hollows of my cheek, jawline, forehead and on the sides of my nose. Blending the whole look together with a brush to ensure that there are no harsh lines. Setting my base in place using a loose powder from Chanel. Before I begin doing my eye makeup, I am going to be first filling my eyebrows. Since this is an intense smoky eye look, so I am going to be filling my eyebrows a little darker than usual. And I am using the Ferrarucci Eyebrow Kit. Since this is an intense look, I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow primer, and I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Since this is an intense eye look, I am applying a loose powder on my under eyes to prevent any fallout. Beginning my eye makeup, I am using the Narcissist eyeshadow palette, and using a flat shader brush, I am picking the black eyeshadow and applying it on the center of my eyes on my eyeball area. I am making sure to apply the black eyeshadow as close to my lash line as possible because any gap between my lash line and eyeshadow will look odd. Next, I am picking a dark brown color and applying it on the edges of the black color. Also applying a little of it on my lower lash lines. Next, I am picking a light brown shade with my fluffy blending brush and applying it on my brow bone and blending the whole look together. Now to add that X factor, I am going to be using the Delancey glitter palette, and I am picking the light blue glitter and applying it on my eyeball area. Now using a fluffy brush, I am gently dusting off the excess powder from my under eyes. Next, I am using my usual black kajal from Faces Magnet Eyes and tightlining my eyes. Whenever I go for an intense eye look, I avoid applying false lashes, mainly because I do not want thick lashes to cover up the intense look that I have created. Instead, I go for a thickening mascara, which will give a similar kind of effect to my natural lashes. So today I am going to be curling my lashes and applying the Climax mascara from NARS. If you are interested in applying false lashes, please go ahead and apply them. Now for my face, I am going to be applying the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Now to apply my blusher, I am applying the Smashbox blusher. Now for the highlighter, I am using Opal from Becca Cosmetics. Finally, for the lipstick, I am using Crossfires from MAC. Lining it with a brown lip pencil from Color Bar and gently blending it together with a lip brush. That's it, you guys. That's the glitter blue smoky eye look that I wanted to share with you today. Isn't it super fun and easy and adds that beautiful X factor to your smoky eye look? I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button for me and also share this video with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is the right time to subscribe and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. If you do try this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will also be waiting for your wonderful comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.